The marker, also called the screwhorn or screw-horned goat, is the national animal of Pakistan. 3. The phrase /snake eater or marker, marhur, is derived from classical, Persian, and Pashto languages. It alludes to the old notion that the marker would actively kill and devour snakes. 4. This local legend is thought to have originated from the male marker's snake-like horns, which twisted and curled like a snake, and may have caused prehistoric peoples to identify them with snakes. Ibex, the largest and most robust mountain goat, as a result, their long-term survival is crucial for both local human population support and environmental conservation. According to a recent study by SLF, 26,510 km is thought to be appropriate habitat for the species. Karakoram and Hindu Kush and Himalayas contains adequate habitat, which support biodiversity conservation. Following Lydecker, 1913, description of the Chiltern wild goat as a subspecies of the marker, it was postulated that the animal was a cross between the marker and either domestic goat. However, the Chiltern animals were regarded as a wild goat in Schaller and Kahn's edition of marker, which separated them from Sind ibex by the shape of their horns. The bearded vulture, Gypaetus barbatus, which is a huge predatory bird in the monotypic genus Gypaetus, is sometimes referred to as the lammergeier and ossifrage. Though historically regarded as an Old World vulture, it actually belongs to a distinct minor lineage of Accipitridae, along with its closest surviving relative, the Egyptian vulture, Neophron percnopterus. Its feathered neck sets it apart from Old World vultures, which are not much more closely related than hawks. For example, the lozenge-shaped tails of the Egyptian and bearded vultures are unique for predatory birds. Withstanding their differences. It is vernacularly known as homa, a bird in Iranian mythology. Native to South and Southeast Asia, the Alexandrine parakeet, also called the Alexandrine parrot, is a medium-sized parrot in the genus Psittacula of the family Psittaculidae. It has the name of Alexander the Great, who brought several birds from Punjab to different parts of Europe and the Mediterranean, where the aristocracy, nobles, and warlords appreciated them. The majority of the Karakoram and Hindu Kush, or 38% of the Gilgit, a species of freshwater dolphin belonging to the Platanistidae family, is the Indus River dolphin. It is native to the Beas River in northwest India and the Indus River basin in Pakistan. The first side-swimming cetacean was this dolphin. It is sporadically spread over 5 little subpopulations that are divided by barrages of irrigation. The Ganges River dolphin and the Indus dolphin were considered distinct species from the 1970s until 1998, when their classification was revised to subspecies of a single species. More recent research, however, supports their status as separate species. It has been designated as Punjab, India's state aquatic animal, as well as Pakistan's national mammal. Pakistani snow leopard. In Pakistan's northern mountains, specifically in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Gilgit-Baltistan, and Azad Jammu and Kashmir, there are thought to be 200 to 420 snow leopards. Despite the tiny number of cats, it is ranked as the third largest snow leopard population in the world in terms of size, after India. Peacocks are an intriguing and well-known bird species, distinguished for their magnificent and vivid plumage. Different species can be found in their home locations in Africa and Asia. In Pakistan, peacocks are common and valued for their aesthetic qualities as well as their cultural importance. Let's examine the prevalent Moor breeds in Pakistan, emphasizing their traits, range, and significance. The Elapidae family of snakes includes the extremely venomous Caspian cobra, sometimes known as the Russian, Central Asian, or other cobras. Central Asia is home to the endemic species. When German physician Karl Eichwald first described it in 1831, it was thought to be a subspecies of the Naja for a long time until genetic research showed that it was a different species. The marsh crocodile, broad-snout crocodile, and mugger are other names for the mugger crocodile, Crocodilus palustris. It is found in the neighboring nations and the Indian subcontinent. It is called the Indus crocodile in Sindh's delta marshes and Makran's coastal districts in Pakistan. The brown bear subspecies found in the western Himalayas is called the Himalayan brown bear, Ursus arctos isabellinus, sometimes referred to as the Himalayan red bear or the Isabellan bear. Males can grow up to 2.2 meters, 7 feet 3 inches, in length, making it the largest mammal in the area. Females are slightly smaller.
That's it for the video. Consider subscribing the channel.